how to fix Instagram profile picture upload problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem on Android and iOS phones. First, open the Play Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated, and if you found here update, just click on it and then go back. Now turn off your Wi-Fi, and this one works with Android phone. Android phones, go to apps and then apps again, and here type Instagram and click on it. Now go to permissions and click storage. Now click allow for storage and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. And then just restart your phone and turn on your Wi-Fi and try again. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.